because impeachment is a legal process and political activities. I'm not being visit. I am not answering because they have no authority to ask confidential questions. And there is a law that prohibits officials gathering information because of their office to divulge it in public. So it's the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act that will add to cases that may be filed against you. I am definitely not answering questions about confidential funds because it pertains to national security and the lives of the people involved in intelligence operations. I am answering questions about the use of the money in the Commission on Audit. We have fully cooperated with the audit process of the Commission on Audit, who has the sole jurisdiction to ask questions about the use of confidential funds. In fact, 2/4 of the Department of Education are already cleared by the Commission on Audit. Plus the fact that, as I said, it is an attack. It is a political attack. You are in aid of legislation and want to legislate about confidential funds. You cannot target one office and terrorize and torment the employees of that office. Why not call the office of the president who has billions and billions of confidential funds? So that shows you're singling out the office of the vice president. And I really feel that it's really disrespectful to the office of the vice president. Respect begets respect. So if they want respect, they should first respect the office of the vice president. They don't like me. They don't like my person. They don't like Inday Sara Duterte. But they have to respect the office of the vice president. So if they want to investigate confidential funds, they don't single out one office. So no explanation will be given to the members of the House of Representatives. Nakapaganda kami sa impeachment case kasi nga last year nag-announce na si Brad Castro ng impeachment. So the moment na sinabi yun, and the moment na nakita namin na tuloy-tuloy yung attacks, ay naganda na rin kami para sa mga abogado. They're all documented, but we do not give them the information because we don't trust them at all.